Hello all. I hope you are doing good. I'm Vaibhav Lakhani, a security researcher from India. I've been into this field of cybersecurity from the past 3 years, wherein I have helped organizations protect their infrastructure. I've been rewarded Hall of Fames, swags, bounties from various organizations such as Dutch Telecom, United Nations, GEO, etc. I've been acknowledged as top 15 hackers by NCAAPC, Government of India as well. I wish you a warm welcome to this course. We are aware about web penetration testing and network penetration testing. However, only some of us know about mobile penetration testing. So here I am to cover the Android penetration testing for you in this particular course. I've also created a course on iOS penetration testing as well, which is available on Udemy. This course includes all the basic details that is required for Android penetration testing. It also covers all the attacks with practical examples so that you can experience attacks in real time. For this course, all you require is a strong internet connection and willingness to learn. Everything else is covered in the course. Please make sure that if you are using a real Android device for your penetration testing exercises, do not use your primary device. And this course will start first with setting up the environment. We will start with setting up the mobile operating hacking system. We'll move on to routing a particular device and installing emulators and simulators for our Android penetration testing. The next module covers some Android-related commands that are going to be very handy while performing Android penetration testing. We'll move on to the basics of Android, where I'll teach you about various Android components, Android architecture stack, data storage options, etc. We'll also have a look of how we can reverse engineer an Android APK file to get the source code of that particular application. In the next module, we are going to cover basics of Android that includes contents of an APK file, Dalvik VM, small e code, application signing and verification, etc. In the next module, we'll cover about the OWASP Mobile Top 10. We'll learn the top 10 vulnerabilities of mobile applications and have a closer look at each of these OWASP Top 10 categories. We'll also have a sneak peek inside the OWASP Top 10 Mobile 2023 draft version. Android penetration testing is usually done in two parts. The first one is static analysis, and the second one is the dynamic analysis. The next module covers static analysis. What tools are used for performing static analysis and what vulnerabilities are covered in static analysis, we are going to have a look at those. We are going to understand each and every vulnerability with a live example, firstly on a demo application, and then on a real live target as well. In the dynamic analysis section, I will show you multiple methods of bypassing root detection, multiple methods of bypassing SSL pinning, as well as multiple methods of how you can bypass fingerprint detection inside an Android device. In the next module, we are going to cover about progressive web applications. We are going to discuss what are progressive web applications such as Flutter and React Native, how they are built, how they build applications, and how you can bypass root detection and SSL pinning in such applications. In the live attack section, I would be sharing with you the proof of concepts of all the vulnerabilities that we have learned till now in real-time applications. Please note that all the vulnerabilities have been reported ethically to the target organization. The vulnerabilities should not be exploited by any of the viewer. The author holds no responsibility of any illegal practices accounting. Under the tips and tricks section, I'll be sharing with you certain techniques that will make you better than the rest. This section also includes penetration testing reports, private nuclear templates, etc. So this is the overall course content. If you have any doubts during the course of this session, please feel free to ask in the Q&A section, and I'll make sure to answer all of them as soon as possible. Thank you and happy hunting.